Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start today. Gold takes a tumble. The yellow metal is feeling the heat today, down 1.0% as of writing, after falling even further yesterday, minus 1.3%. Although this dip might leave bulls worried, the bigger picture still paints a golden future. Long-term bullish outlook. Looking at the weekly chart, the story is different. We're still holding on to that bullish bias established after hitting record highs around $2,148 in December. Sure, we've dropped below $2,075 resistance, but that's just a temporary detour before we cruise towards the next support zone at $1,968. Daily battleground. Zooming into the daily chart, things get more interesting. Our downward journey from that rejected resistance at $2,075 is bringing us closer to the psychologically important $2,000 mark. But here's a twist. At $1,990, we also have both a key support level and a bullish signal called an AB equals CD formation. Think of it as a technical roadmap hinting at a potential bounce. So, while the bears seem to be calling the shots today, don't count the bulls out just yet. That daily support zone around $1,990 and $2,000 could attract fresh buyers if tested, keeping the upward trend alive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more new updates.